Hello YouTube, this is David here with David Plays X89, and today we ordered some iPhone Pro Max 13 cases from Peel. We have them in the color clear and we have them in rose gold. So we're going to be unboxing them and displaying the product. So without further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to be recording with my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're going to be using the gold model to test the cases. So we're going to open this one up, and this should be the clear. And this is the box. So like my daughter is happy for an iPhone case. So there's instructions here, how to install Peel. Slide your device into the case at the bottom of the Peel case. Carefully snap in the top corners. And I mean, the packaging is nice. Took about a week to get here. So let's snap it in. And this is the clear case. So it looks great. And it feels great. So let's get on to the rose gold case. So now we're going into the rose gold case. So I mean, these fit on great. These fit pretty well. Having a tough time getting the case open. So I mean, first impression on the clear case, I mean, I really like it. It's pretty good for a clear case. So this is the rose gold. Let's compare it with the clear. So we got rose gold here, we got clear, and let's pop on the rose gold. That is nice. I mean, so far for, everyone else is selling cases for over $50, and I think clear is around the $20-$30 range. And they give a good discount, so this case feels pretty good. It fits pretty good, so I'm very satisfied with the product so far. I think Peel have done a great job. This is my first time using them, and this is not a sponsored video, but I do like Peel's products. This is my first time ever using anything from Peel, and I do like the rose gold case, and they're easy to snap on, snap off, simple instructions, and there you go. Okay, so now we've unboxed the product. I'm going to go into the final thoughts of the products. If you're looking at, a drop test, I think these are too flimsy to handle big impacts. So if you're, rough with your phone and drop it a lot, I don't think this is the case for you. But if you're not and careful with your phone and, using a screen protector, I think it's a good choice. I mean, the price is great. They look great. They fit perfectly. Is just the only thing you have to worry about with these things is protection. I mean, in my opinion, I would go with something a little bit more sturdier for protection, but for a super thin case that's low profile and looks great, and for the, around $30 or under price range, I think Peel makes a great product. But for, super big drops, or if you're worried about, damaging $1,000 plus phone, I would go with something that, that offers better protection. But that's my final thoughts on the product, and thank you guys for watching. And as you know, we are a new channel, and we're looking for more followers and subscribers, so please hit the like button and the follow button, and there'll be more product reviews on iPhone accessories, console accessories, and we're going to get as much content as we can out there. So thank you guys for watching.